Hello traders, Adam Hansen here for ValoTrader.com. Today I'm just going to walk you through the process of installing and running an expert advisor on your MetaTrader platform. So the first thing you'll want to do once you've got your trading platform open is to activate auto trading here at the top of the screen. So at the moment it's red and deactivated, so if I click that it turns green, and from that point I know that auto trading is activated and I'm able to run expert advisors on this platform. Next thing you'll want to do is wherever you've saved your expert advisor to, so you've downloaded it and saved it to a particular place on your computer. I've saved mine to the desktop. Yes, this is moving average expert advisor here, so all I want to do is right click and copy and head back into my trading platform. From there I want to head up to File and Open Data Folder. From there I want to head into MQL4, and at the top of the lists I want to open up Experts. And this is where I'm able to paste the expert advisor that I've downloaded. So all I need to do is right click and paste. And there you can see our moving average expert advisor has been added to the list. So what I want to do now is close that window, and I'll need to restart the trading platform. Okay, so once your trading platform has restarted, what you'll want to do is head over to the left hand side, and if you can't see the navigator window here, all you need to do is head up to View and Navigator. And that will open up this window here, and within that you can see a list of expert advisors, and there is our moving average EA that we installed into our experts folder. Now to get it actually running on the chart so that we can trade it, what we need to do is just left click and hold on the EA, drag and then release it onto the chart itself. And that will open up this window here, which is just where we can customize any settings associated with the EA. If you have some particular settings that you wish to adjust, this is where you can do that. If not, then I would just leave them as standard. So all you need to do then is click OK. And if we look up in the top right hand corner of the chart, we can see the name of the EA and also this little smiley face here. And that is how we know that this expert advisor is running on this chart. And that is it, guys. Short and sweet. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and also head across to our website, ValoTrader.com. So until the next video, guys, take care and bye for now.